This is no 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs won. Mamelodi Sundowns not. My brother, how do you feel about the game here tonight? Today?
Yeah, yeah. Defender. Now it's not happy, especially with Kwinika. Hey, Kwinika won the first 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Nege mega side la khaufi le center. So nege mona re o tswala di offside.
Too much.
O tswala di offside because di tlhokwe le msimango never push ije but yena shije. Ona le ball engwe le yona inyakile ba nyakile ba diretse problem ka yona. E ba itswaletse offside. So I'm not happy with Kwinika. So I think Kwinika since the previous game re dladile ka Frosla.
Yeah.
Ramdlaisha as a left back.
Yeah.
So nereka no bushetsa game yona ye Ramdlaisha as a right back.
Yeah,
o bontsha re coach wa believer mo yena. So Kwinika a dile mo ntla ke tsore maybe o sa tshwere mentality ola wa gore o ba dlala as a center back or what, I don't know. Yeah, so I know dula mo bench at least nyana a gone o read the game sharp because today I was not happy with him.
So ona na bianca midfield ya lona because ke bone nkare like ne ba sa attack no sna anyone o le gore nanya go attack. All the players they were defending, midfielders never the defenders were good but mistakes more. But then I think Kaizer Chiefs need a central midfielder or attack. What do you think?
Yeah, with the midfielder today I think I'm confused, convinced or never solid right because first 20 minutes, first 15 minutes, Kibona too soft, like a defensive midfielder. Someone like Atsande, someone who is aggressive. Like what's a ball of fell. At least the opponent is where a ball, it's sure a defensive midfielder was. But Kibona I rely one after 15 minutes Castello. Yeah, got Tom over here because at least a defensive midfielder because we need someone who's aggressive. What if a red card or a center back? We need someone who can go there and play as a defender. Yeah. So for now, I cannot say where Castello or Marta got better 5 if Omwali Meziga last means. I got a extra time or something. I want referee to substitute. I want Castello or Marta. For now, but I was happy today Castello. Yeah, after 20 minutes going forward I was happy. Then again waranga yona striker go pele ne. Ke waraka depress man. Depress ore alemala o tlo dira because ke shosholo za rena. Alemala go rena hore tlo ba le problem and rena le game tse ngwe tla o dlalang for league. So it's only important. So if alemala or a red card or yellow card, for I'm looking forward to see a plan B sharp.
No, I like a plan B. Thank you very much. All the best, second round.